Hello, this is David Behm and I'm with Hastings Air Energy Control in New Berlin, Wisconsin. Today we're going to take a look at the PCH Series Collector. This lightweight arm has an exterior support system that doesn't impede the airflow of the unit, and it's ratcheted, so when you move the arm and position it over the workpiece, it stays in place. The unit is equipped with a 25-foot cord which plugs into a standard 110 volt receptacle. The optional magnehelic gauge is used to provide an indication of the condition of the filters. The PCH Collector uses standard pleated cartridges. They can be accessed easily by this toolless entry. The PCH has a low center of gravity, which makes it highly maneuverable to put anywhere in the facility. The easy access dust tray uses a cam lock feature for a dust-tight seal. The PCH series collectors have easy to bolt on options such as a silencer, HEPA filtration, and odor control. The Airflow Systems PCH unit is provided with a durable powder-coated finish, and it is made in Dallas, Texas. The VibraPulse design is 4 times more effective than conventional pulse cleaning and has no continuous compressed air requirement. So let's review. Nasty air goes in there, clean air comes out here. Thanks for watching.